Hi guys, good morning to everyone, ladies and gentlemen. I am Violeta Follido. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, my topic today guys is about the nourishment of our physical body and also nourishment of our spiritual body. First of all guys, I want to share about my own experience about the physical experience and also about the spiritual experience. Based on my own experience guys about the nourishment of our physical body. Before guys, I'm a coach of healthy lifestyle of other company. Out of 50 candidates guys about of the physical awareness of our nourishment of our physical body, how to live a balanced diet. Guys, I'm top 1 guys. I'm a winner guys of 16,000. I win a 16,000 guys because of my nourishment of our physical body. So guys, how about guys? What your unsa ang product guys nga inyong ginatake for nourishment of our physical body? For me guys, now I'm taking the product of DXN as a nourishment of our physical body guys. Number one guys, I taking the product of Leche Coffee and Ganoderma and Ganocilium and Spirulina for sustain of my healthy lifestyle in our daily routine guys. As a coach of other company guys, I taking my product now guys, like Leche Coffee and other product of Dixie. So guys, very important kayo guys nga natay food supplement o atong inarish ang ato ang physical body guys for sustaining or for maintain our healthy lifestyle. So lain guys nga makatag ka to og healthy sa atong panglawas guys. Inaagi sa our product of Leche Coffee and Ganocilium and also Rishigano. So guys, that is the best of nourishment of our physical body guys. Nourish our body guys through taking our product of the XN. That is the key guys nga even sa imong physical body, you are win, you are success because of our nourishment of our physical body. Likewise too guys, sa atong body guys, there are two components. We live physical and we live also spiritual. So God said guys, man cannot live by bread alone, but every word that comes from the mouth of God. Words, meaning to see words guys, nourish your word in your spiritual life through the reading of the Bible. Based on experience guys, I'm top 1 guys sa among church guys sa larangan sa kuntis about the spiritual activities. Good for the 2 years guys. Always guys nga makadawat jud ko og award sa among church because I balance of my life guys. Kung usa ako gitiker ang ako ang physical body guys, simple sa ako ang spiritual life through the reading the Bible guys. Like example guys, sa Bible guys, kailangan basahon gyud nato siya guys for nourishment of our spiritual life, nourishment for our soul. Natay soul guys. Ang soul nato guys, kailangan ato ni pakaunon through the word of God, through the reading the word of God. I don't mention about the any kind of religions karon kung sa imong religion guys, but I'm talking about the Bible. Ang Bible guys, that is the word of God for nourishment of our spiritual life and nourishment of our soul. So like example guys, Psalms 23:1. Kaya kung mabasa ko Bible guys by whole chapter. Like example guys, Psalms 23:1, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He make to lie down in green pastures. He led me beside quiet water, He restore my soul. He guide me in the path of righteousness for His name's sake. Even though I walk to the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for Thou art with me. Thy rod, Thy staff, He comfort me. He anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. Surely goodness and love follow me all the days of my life. I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Kamu guys, na mangutano ko sa inyo, unsa ang verse ninyo nga paborito? That is my favorite verse, guys. Even John 3:16, for God so loved the world, that He gave His only Son, but whosoever believe in Him, but have perish, but have everlasting life. Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man cometh unto the Father but by me. John 1:1, in the beginning was the Word, was God, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. So, guys, very important to know about the spiritual word for sustaining our spiritual life, for nourishment of our soul. So very important guys nga to know about how to reading the word of God. Una guys, as a leader guys, even the spiritually guys, I am a leader. You are a leader of your spiritual life through your reading the word of God. So pinaagi ana guys, you are success even spiritually. Even sa physically na to guys. As a distributor of the DXN product guys, I encourage kako partner to share about our healthy lifestyle to nourishment to those mga people nga wala nakahibalo unsa ang ilang in-nourish sa ilahang physical body for a healthy lifestyle. So guys, kailangan ta guys nga mutabang sa mga tao nga they are poor, how to live a healthy lifestyle, I mean our spiritual. So kailangan guys ang atong life guys is a balance, because guys na ati duha ka component sa to ang lawas. You have a physical body and you have a spiritual body. That's why guys, atong i-balance yun yung ato ang life para you are win and to share. Sure guys, kailangan the more you share, the more you bigger and the more you bless. Muna guys, even sa akong physical life ron guys, naningkamot ko na maging success, to be ambassador someday. I want to be a big speaker in front sa mga tao na makashare ko by own experience. Even I have no position of the DXN company. I am distributor only, but I try my best guys nga mo success ko by consistent. Salamat kaayo sa akong mga ka-partners nga naminaw karon. Salamat kaayo partners, mga partners sa inyong pagsuporta, sa inyong pagpaminaw, sa inyong pag-like, sa inyong pag-share. Labi na yun diha sa Marilog, ang akong mga loyal nga followers. Inday, thank you kaayo sa imong pag-share sa mga tao diha. So karon guys, naglanog-lanog na ang atong product karon sa DXN ngadto sa Marilog. Kay sila nagakuha na sa kuha sa kape sa Lingshi. Og i-share nila guys. Og nagahulat sila kanunay sa bagong mga content sa atong video about the healthy lifestyle. So don't forget guys to subscribe of my YouTube channel. I am Violeta Furido. So muna akong episode karon guys, nourishment of our physical body and nourishment of our spiritual life. Guys, salamat kaayo sa inyong pagpaminaw guys. So guys, take care. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, nourish your physical body through taking our product of the XN. And then guys, how about our spiritual life? Through the words of God, you can nourishment of your spiritual life. Nourish your soul, guys, through the reading of Word, through the reading of the Bible. Thank you guys. Salamat kayo guys. Muna guys, based on my experience yun guys, ni ang ako ang channel sa akong may channel sa YouTube guys. Type niyo ang Violeta Pulido guys. Inyong masabaybayan guys. My journey kung sa ato pa guys, this is my journey of success of my daily routine. So salamat kayo guys. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Nga maningkamot ko guys by own experience nga makahatag ko sa inyo ha og podcast guys o mga word encouragement. Kailangan ta og encouragement word guys para mabuhi ang ato ang physical body and even our spiritual. Kaya ang ato ang life guys, nag-need kita og nourishment of our physical and spiritual. Physical, nourish your body through taking our product of the XN, like Lychee Coffee and other product guys. Dahang kaayong product sa atong product diha sa company sa DXN guys, na ginatanan guys para ma-healthy lifestyle ang atong body. And then kung healthy lifestyle ang atong body guys, likewise ang ato apong spiritual life healthy pud na guys. Kay mosunod na ang ka-healthy sa ato ang physical, mosunod na ang ato ang spiritual nga healthy. Kaya sa man nato guys, kung ang ato ang physical body wala nimo na pagkaon sa insaktong pagkaon nga food supplement, di ba guys, masakiton? So kung masakiton ka guys, paano na lang ka makasimba o makabasa sa Biblia? Doon ka masakiton naman. So kung doon ka masakiton ka, simple na atong spiritual life, ang atong soul nga po'y anan sa ato ang lawas. Masakiton usab ka, di naman po siya makalihok. Tuod kasi mo ang lawas nagluyasad. Wala guys, kailangan i-balanse na to ang ato ang kinabuhi. Kailangan magkinabuhi kita, you live a physical life and you live a spiritual life. Thank you guys. Salamat guys sa inyong pagpaminaw. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am Violeta Pulido. Bye bye guys.